LightBurn now uses vendor bundles to import settings for laser machines. Let me show you how easy it is to do this using the Emblaser Pro as an example. Let's go. Previously, if you had an Emblaser machine, when you hook it up to LightBurn, it would automatically register. Because now LightBurn works with a whole bunch of different laser vendors, they have now incorporated what they call vendor bundles, which allow these companies to create all the different settings for their machines, and in doing so allows the companies to keep you up to date with any settings and changes. So this is a brand new feature, and it's really simple to go through. Let me show you. So going back to the Start Emblaser Pro page on the Darkly Labs website, we've gotten LightBurn, we've loaded it up. We now have to do a new step. So all you need to do here is click on Download Bundle, and you can see here, this is the file, so we'll click that, and we'll download it. So now that we've downloaded our vendor bundle, let me show you how to install it. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is go up to File, and you'll see now that there's a new menu option called Bundles. You can see that there's an Import or Export Bundle. Let's go to Import Bundle. That's now going to pop up. I'm going to go to the Download section. You see the Emblaser Pro.lb vendor, LightBurn vendor file. Let's highlight that and just hit Open. Automatically, you now get the bundle import window. And this is where you'll be able to choose all the different options for the machine that you would like to install this with. For Darkly Labs right now, at the time of making this video, you have the Emblaser Pro. This is the 60-watt material library that goes along with it. As you can see here, you actually have check marks. So if you want to choose it, if there was other options here for, let's say, the Emblaser 2 or maybe the 40-watt Emblaser Pro, all you need to do is click on the check mark of the machine that you want to install it with, as well as the materials library. Now that you've done that, all you need to do is hit that import button, and you're done. Obviously, I have used this copy of LightBurn before with my Emblaser 2. So if I go to Devices, you can see here now that I have an option for the Emblaser Pro. And now we have all the different settings all ready to go. If I click the material library, you can see here that the 60-watt material library has been loaded in, and you can see the different options that come straight out of the box. So you've got things like black acrylic, either 3mm or 6mm. You've got acrylic that's opaque, 3mm. That's something I want to play with because on the Emblaser 2, it was a little sketchy with the power that was available. So I'm looking forward to working with that. We've got balsa wood. The contact film that's available from Darkly Labs is PVC free. So it's something you can cut in your laser without having any danger. So those presets are there. We've got cork, we've got cardboard, felt, foam. EVA foam is something that I use a lot, and it's nice to see those settings already added to the material library. We've got leather. MDF is one I'm going to show you guys because not only are there presets for 3mm and 6mm, but 12mm itself. I'm really looking forward to cutting 12mm with my Emblaser Pro, something I would not even dream about with previous diode lasers. So that's pretty exciting. Paper, and then obviously a selection of laser ply, whether it's eucalypt, generic, or poplar, something again that I use a lot. And even polypropylene. So you can actually cut 1mm polypropylene safely with this machine. Now this material library will grow over time, and Darkly Labs will explore new material and add that into the material library. Installing vendor bundles is the fastest way to get settings and material libraries into LightBurn so you can get the results you want quickly, with the added bonus of being able to install updates directly from the vendor. If you like this tutorial, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up so you don't miss out on any other tutorials about LightBurn. And until I see you next time, use your laser and go make something amazing.